there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Amami Cucina. Today's recipe, we're gonna make lasagna. Yes, the amazing lasagna, the Italian lasagna. You know already how to make the ragu? Yes, because I made the video already. You can check my videos or you can click on the link below. Today also you're gonna learn how to make the vegan besciamella, which play a very important part in the lasagna. Don't forget it. We're gonna use the vegan pasta. You can also use bread. We have a special bread in Italy. I'm gonna make another recipe with the bread. So you can make the perfect lasagna also with bread. But this is gonna happen next time. What else? Let's start. I really can't wait to try it. Oh my god. Yes. I'm so happy that I shared this recipe with you. It's very, very, very good. You have to try this. It's amazing, guys. So, if you like my recipe, please put a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Ciao.